Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on English. I am going to explain you grammar today. So today I am going to explain about pronoun. Before starting that, I am going to tell you something. We have already in English we are having 8 parts of speech. Among these 8 parts of speech, we studied first one, noun. Noun is nothing but a naming words. Name, place, animal, thing. Name of a person, place, animal, thing is called as a noun. That is naming words. We studied noun. I explain you noun. Then verb. I explain you verb. Verbs are nothing but action. Action words. Okay. And today we are going to study pronoun. We are going to study pronoun. We studied noun. Noun are also called as naming words. Verbs are nothing but action words. That is action words you can take run, dance, play. Those comes under the action words. Whatever action you are doing, that is a verb, action words. Today I have explained you about pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun is nothing pronoun. That means we are using instead of a noun. Words that are used in place of a noun. In place of noun, we are using some words. We are going to study what are those words. Now I will take one example. Reena has a doll. So this is my example. Reena has a doll. One sentence. Reena plays with the doll. Now I am talking here about Reena. So what is, first we will come to noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing. Now we will take first sentence. Reena has a doll. In this first we will mark what are nouns. Noun must be a name of a person. We are having name of a person here. Yeah, what is the name of a person here? Reena. Reena is a noun here. So first, before coming to pronoun, we will find out what are noun. Reena has a. It is not a person, not an animal, not a thing. So now coming to doll. Doll. Doll is a noun. It is a thing. Doll is a thing. It comes under noun. So in this sentence, Reena has a doll. We are having two nouns. One is Reena and the other is doll. Is it clear? Now, second sentence, Reena plays with the doll. Again here we are having Reena plays with the doll. Here we are having. So in these sentences, totally we are having 4 nouns. So for us, no need to repeat again Reena, doll. So how we are going to change this into pronoun? See here. Reena has a doll. Reena has a doll. I am going to write this sentence as it is. Okay. Now this sentence again the name is repeated. So words that are used in place of noun. In place of noun, I am not going to repeat again Reena. Reena is a girl. For girl, we use she. Reena has a doll. So in place of Reena, what I use? I use she. Reena has a doll. I am not repeating her name again. No need to repeat. So Reena has a doll. She plays with the doll. Again doll is repeated. No need to repeat it again. She plays with she plays with it. So I am replacing this two with pronoun. Here Reena and doll are noun, but as they are repeating, I am not going to repeat it. I am using pronouns. So words that are used in place of noun. In place of noun, I used she. In place of doll, I used it. So these words, the word she The word she and the word its are what they are? They are pronoun used in place of a noun. She is a pronoun. So you understood what is a pronoun? Is it clear? So I'll tell you some pronouns. I, we, she, he, I, we, she, he, they. It, you. These are some of the pronouns. What are these? These are nouns. In place of nouns, we are using these pronouns. Suppose if it is a I. Suppose instead of writing my name, when I am talking about myself, what I do? What I say? I am a girl, I'll say. What I use? I. I is used for ourselves. We use I for when we are talking about ourselves. Now coming to we. Suppose a group of people, group of persons, or group of my friends are there. A group of my friends are sitting. So what I say? We are going to a park. We. I use the word we when we are in a group, more than one. Group or when we are talking about more than one person. Then she, when we are talking about, if it is girl or a woman. She is used when we are talking about a girl or a woman. Woman or a girl, we use she. I can't say Sita is dancing. In place of I can say Sita is dancing. If I want to use pronoun, I say he is dancing or she is dancing. I say because Sita is a girl, what I use the word she. She is dancing. Now Rahul is playing. Rahul is a boy. So if a boy, can I use she? She is playing, can I use? No. What I will be using? I use he. He is used for boys and man. If a person is a boy or a man, we use he. Is it clear? If a person is a girl or a woman, we use she. When we are talking, when we are in a group, even you two should be present, then only we say, then only we will tell we. Now I, when I am talking about myself. I, when we talk about ourselves. We, when we are in a group more than 1-2%. She is used for a girl or a woman. He is used for a boy or a man. They. Okay? Again, they is used for the plural, more than one person. Suppose you have invited your friends to your home. They have come and they are knocking the door. So what you will do when tell Mama? Mama, my friends came, they are waiting. What you say? They are waiting near the door. You use the word they. Yeah, you will not say my friends came, my friends are waiting at the door. My friends came, they are waiting at the door, you will say. We will not repeat again friends. In this way, use the word they. It is used for animals and for things. The kite is flying. Instead of using the word kite, I use it is flying. The book is here. It is here. So, it is used for animals and things. Now, the cat is running. The dog is jumping. It is jumping. It is running. So, it is used. Remember, it we use only for animals and things. You. So, when I and one more person is with me. So what I say? When you came, where you are going, what I am using? You, the word you, when I am talking to the other person. So these are some of the pronouns which we should use in place of a noun, used instead of a noun or in place of a noun. So pronouns are words that take place of nouns. Pronouns refer to name of a person, people, that is person, place or thing. So these are the words when we use. I used when we talk about ourselves. You is used when we are talking to one or more than one person. And we use he if it is a boy or a man. We use she if it is a girl or a woman. We use I when we are talking about ourselves. We use it. It we use in place of a thing or animal. It is used, remember, it is used for animals and thing. And they is used when we are talking about more than one person, or it can be an animal or thing. Person, here, more than one person, animal, or it can be also thing, not only person. So these are some of the pronouns. Now I'll take one more example. Sana loves watermelon. Sana loves watermelon. Sana ate. I am in past tense. Sana ate half of the watermelon. So when I am talking, Sana is a noun, watermelon is a noun. Here Sana is a noun, watermelon is a noun. So what I am going to do? I am not going to repeat again. What I am going to use here? My first sentence will be as it is. No change in this. It is as it is. Here we have to make a change. Because Sana is already, we are telling her name once. No need to repeat it again. So here we are using as she. Sana is a girl. So we are mentioning she. Sana loves watermelon. She ate half of the watermelon. So no need to repeat again watermelon. She ate half of it. I am not using watermelon. In place of watermelon, I use it. So this is she and it are pronouns. Is it clear? So you might have explained I, we, she, he, they, it, you. Especially these are the pronouns which we used in place of nouns. Now, uncle. So in place of uncle, if in my sentence if I am having uncle, I want to replace it with pronoun. Uncle comes under a, after uncle, uncle comes under a man. So for man or a boy we are using he. What we are using? We are using he. Cow. Cow is an animal. What I said? For cow we use, animals we use it. Book. Book is a thing. For book what we are using? Uncle is a man. We are using he for man or a boy. Cow is an animal. I told you for animals we use it. Book is a thing. For things too we use it. This is a book. It is a book. This is a, sorry. So for uncle, for book, for animals, even for school, we use it. Is it clear? If it is a place or a person, sorry, not person, animal, and thing, we use it. These are, if I give, what we can use in place of this. In place of, for uncle, what is the pronoun we use? He. For cow, what is the pronoun we use? It. Book. Like that. If I give you few words in your worksheet, you should be able to do it. Rahul is sleeping. So in place of noun, I have to use a pronoun. So what I'll be using? Rahul is a boy. So I'll be using he. Only this will be changing. The remaining sentence will be as it is. Is it clear? Rahul is a boy. Rahul is boy. So we use he. He is sleeping. Keys are on the table. Okay, keys are on the table. So keys, they are plural. I am not telling only key. I am telling keys. So in place of keys, what is the? This is the noun. In place of this noun, I am using pronoun. For plural, we use they. They are on the table. Now if I give you this sentence and ask you to change it into pronouns. Keys are on the table, they are on the table. If a word is given, you can change in this way. If a sentence is given, you have to change in this way. One more example I'll give you. Grass is green. Grass is green. Here noun is grass. So in place of grass, I can use which pronoun? He, she. What can I use? It is a thing. So I am using it. Is green. So in place of grass, as grass is a thing, we are using it. It is green. Grass is green. It is green. Pictures are on the wall. Pictures are on the wall. They are on the wall. Flowers are in the garden. They are in the garden. Monkey is eating a banana. In place of monkey, what we can use? I told you in place of animals, it. It is eating a banana. So this is about pronoun. Hope you all have understood, children. Thank you.